Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use our Star Wars drones, which can be checked out at the Deerfield Public Library as part of our Library of Things collection. Here's a quick start guide. First, make sure the batteries are charged. You're looking for a blue or green light. Then insert the battery into the drone. Face the drone away from you. Then press the round button for several seconds. Sync the drone by moving the left control stick up until you hear a beep and then down. Press the speed change button, which is the bottom button on the front left side of the controller. Then press the calibrate gyro button on the upper right next to the right control stick. Then press on the auto start / auto land button on the lower left side next to the left control stick. Your drone will then begin to fly. Don't panic. At first, use only the right hand control stick. Using the left control stick will take it out of auto mode. Take it slow and soon you'll be able to fly in all sorts of ways.
That's awesome.
Press the Auto Start Auto Land button on the lower left side again to land the drone safely. Thanks for watching. Check out some of our other educational videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.